least
The title was
value.
what? The title was what? Hmm.
A box of
Booking of
insurance.
lots making
Yes. Box
inferences.
and whisker plots, right? And we have 5 cards. We drew 5 cards yesterday, right? We put them in the board. So you will help me to tell me. Yes, sir, did you
Miss, can
remember?
you see that?
Yes, ya Rahma, okay. So let me draw that
Uh,
first. Just a second. How many cards we posted in the board yesterday?
five. Five
5
cards.
cards. Yes, it was 5 cards. Thank you. Okay, ya Rahma, could you please tell us the first one?
Medium.
The first
Uh,
median,
and least value.
median, least value.
Greater value.
So the first
Uh,
one, we have median. Okay. Second one, we put a card for
least value.
least value. And the other card was for
Greater greater value.
greatest value. Yes.
Um, and first quartile and third quartile. And the medium can be the second quartile.
Thank you. Then in this one, we still have first quartile. Yes. And we have what else? The last,
Second quartile.
we will say it's what? It's a third quartile, right? And as Rahma said, we can say that the median is second quartile. So the median we can donate it by second quartile. Okay? Thank you, Rahma. Ruqayya. Ruqayya, you are here?
Yeah.
Could you please tell me, Ruqayya, what is the difference between first quartile and third quartile? What is the difference between first quartile and third quartile? Okay, I will ask someone and I will back to you again, honey. Okay? Ruqayya, I will ask someone and I will come back to you again. Adam. Adam,
You miss me?
yes. You know what is the difference between first quartile and third quartile? Which type? It's a median, it's a mode, it's a range, it's what? Quartile means what? Okay, Award?
The first quartile is the median of the lower set of numbers,
Thank you.
which is found on the left, and the third
Yes,
quartile is the median of the upper set of numbers that is found on the right.
exactly. Thank you so much. Yes. So the first quartile, it is the median for the set which is lower than the median. We said that the median, it will divide the set of data into 2 groups, right? Lower data, median for the lower data is called first quartile. Median for the upper data is called upper quartile. So let me give you an example to remember together, but we have to know the main 5 points which we have to search or to use them when we want to represent the data by box and whisker plot. Gesser, could you please tell me the 5 main points again?
Me?
Yes. If we want
Yes,
to
I say what?
if we want to form or to read a box and whisker plot, what are the 5 main points you have to search about it?
The first quartile and the median, the least value and the greatest value,
Mhm.
and quartile 2 or 3.
We have to search about least value, greatest value, first quartile, median, third quartile. Okay?
Mm.
You know what is the difference between first quartile with third quartile? You know what is the difference between them?
No.
No.
Yes, I know.
Will you please concentrate with us, ya Gasser? Okay? Yes, ya
Yes, I
Abdurrahman.
know.
Yes, what is the
Miss,
difference
it's
between them?
the median of the first quartile is the median of the least
Set of data. Yes,
with the third quartile is the upper data.
the
The
median
median
of
of
the
upper
upper
data.
data. Thank you so much, ya Abdurrahman. Yes. So now we will start with an example to know how we can read or how we can inference from the box and whisker plot. First step, I have random numbers,
Arrange them in
right?
order.
So first we have to arrange the numbers. Very good. Then we will arrange the number from least to greatest or greatest to least?
Least to greatest.
From least to greatest. Thank you. Then the order of the data now from least to greatest is there anyone ready to say the order? Did you put them in order or not yet? Hmm? So we have here 15, right? 15. Is
Right.
there anyone can tell me a number of data equal 15, right? Is there anyone can remember how we can find the order of median?
15 plus 1 divide 2.
15 plus 1 divide 2 equal 8.
Excellent, excellent. 15. So, because this number is what? This number is what?
number.
Is odd number.
Is
Thank
odd.
you. Then it will be 15 plus 1 divided by 2. Very good. Then it will be 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Right? So we will go quickly and we have to find the 8th number, which it will represent the order, the median for this set of data. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
79.
6, 7, 8. Thank you. So it will be 79. Thank you so much. We will use 79 again, or we will keep the median like this now. For the median, we will use it again?
No.
No, because this is an odd number, right? So once we have an odd number, we will not use a median again. But if it's even, we will use it again with the lower set and the upper set. But in this case, we have only 79, like the second quartile. Okay. Now we want to find a median, or sorry, for the lower quartile. Median for the data less than second quartile, for the lower quartile. How many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 numbers. So what is the first quartile? How we will find the order quickly? Quick way?
7 plus 1
7.
divide 2.
Thank you. So it will be 7 plus 1 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, it will be equal 4, right? So the first quartile, it will be
69.
69. Thank you so much. The first quartile, it will be equal 69. So this is the first quartile. Who will tell me the third quartile? It will be what?
78.
78 or 87?
87.
87, because we have 7 numbers and it's an odd number, then it will be 7 plus 1 divided by 2. 7 plus 1 divided by 2, we are looking for what, grade 7? We are looking for what? 7 plus 1 divided by 2.
For the third quartile.
For the third quartile and the order of the median, right? the order. If I'm saying 7 plus, I'm saying 7 plus 1 divided by 2, because I have 7 data and it's an odd number, then to find the order quickly, it will be 7 plus 1 divided by 2. Then the third quartile, it will be equal 87. So this one is first quartile, الميديان is second quartile, and 87 it will be third quartile. We are looking for something else. We are looking for something else to prepare box and
Make
whisker.
the box and the least number and the greatest number.
Amazing, ya Abdurrahman. Thank you. The least number and the greatest number. Dahruk, could you please tell me what is the least number and the greatest number in this question?
Okay, miss. Least number is 53,
Yes.
and the greatest number is 94.
Thank you so much. So the least number is 53. The greatest number is 94. Then now we are ready to represent this data where we are going to represent the data where
In the box.
In the box. We will start to draw what first?
We draw a line.
Thank
The
you.
number.
Miss,
Very
can I
good.
see it? Miss, can I see it?
We are going to draw what? Yes, ya Gasser, go on.
We will draw a rectangle from 79.
From 79.
It will match from 79.
We will start the number line by 79, ya Gasser?
No.
No. We will start the number line with
the first quartile.
We will
Okay.
listen to
Miss, can you?
Here is it. Okay. So we can draw the number line, create a number line that will contain all the set of values, right? So we can say that I'm going to divide it, test score or the number line like this, from 50 and then 60 and then 70, 80, 90. Between 50 to 60, I put how many points? How many points?
3.
From 50 to 60. I put 4, right? Which means each point here, this point, it will be how many? This point.
5.
No, this one it will be
2.5.
2.5, which means 52.5. Huh? Did it count with me? 52, 54, 56,
56, 58,
60.
60.
Right? So I put 5 between 50 and 60. Then each 1 point, it will be 2. Okay. If then anyone can tell me the point which I'm standing on, this one, it will be how many? This point, it will be how many?
74.
74. Thank you. And this point, it will be how many?
88.
88. Thank you so much. Then if you have numbers like this, 53, 65, 68, 60, so we have numbers. So the least number here was 53 and the greatest number was 94. So we can start from 50 till 90, and it could be 100 because it's 94. But we will put between them a small bars or small points, and each one it will be 52 because equal to, because we can try it from 50 till 94. It will be a very large number line, so we have to put a scale. Okay, understood this point? Now we have the number line and we are going to plot the points. Okay, so the points which we are going to plot it here. So the least number was 53. The first quartile was I'll back here to remember
69.
69, and the second quartile was 79,
79.
and the third quartile
87.
was 87. So we back and plot the points here like this. Okay, so this box, we reflect the data which we calculated, and then we put the least number, the first quartile, the second quartile, the third quartile, and the greatest value. The median here means what? Median means what?
The middle number.
The middle number, yes. So the middle number between all these numbers, it represent by the median, and we calculated it was 79, right? In this box and whisker, we can divide this data into percentage, okay? Then we will divide the data into percentage. How? This plot is broken into 4 different groups, right? When we look at this one, the lower whisker, which is the first whisker, this one is called what? Lower whisker. And then this is the second part, third part, fourth part, right? So the data in front of us, we divided them into how many groups?
4.
4 groups, right? We divided them into 4 groups. I'm talking about the percentage now. We will divide them, we divided them into 4 groups, which they are the lower whisker, the lower half of the box, the lower half of the box, which is between what? The lower half of the box, which is between what? Between first quartile and second quartile. So this is called the lower half. After that, we have what? The upper half. What is the upper half of the box? The upper half of the box, this one. The upper half between second quartile and third quartile. And we have an upper whisker. Again, who can tell me again how we can divide this group, this box or this set of data into 4 groups? Is there anyone can tell me what are the 4 groups? What are the 4 groups? Lower whisker, okay? Upper half, this one, the upper half of the box, and the lower half of the box, upper half of the box, and upper whisker. Again, please, I want someone to tell me. We divided it into how many groups? How many groups?
4.
4. This part is called lower A? Whisker. Okay, so this part, the first part is called lower whisker. Okay, this one is called what?
Lower group.
It's called what?
Lower half.
Lower half, yes. So this one is lower half. Okay, Ahmed Saber. Ahmed Saber. Ahmed Saber, this one is called what? Ahmed, you are here? Upper half. Okay, and the last one is called what?
The last one is called
Upper whisker.
Upper whisker. Thank you. So this one, thank you, Zaina. This is called upper whisker. So we said that we divide a group into box and whisker. We divided it into 4 groups. Then each group we are going to put for it 25%. Okay. So the lower whisker, it will take 25%. The lower half, it will be 25%, upper half 25%, and upper whisker 25%. Okay, concentrate with me to know how we are going to inference data from the box and whisker plot. Okay, now I said we will give each one how many percent? How many percent for each?
25%.
25%. So from the lower whisker, 25%. The half, this one is called what? Half A? Half lower, half upper whisker. So each point, it will take 25%. Using this plot, we can see that in this one, 50% of the students scored between 69 and 87, right? Then, did you see this one? It started from what? This one, 69, right here, to 87. How many percent? How many percent got from 69 and 87? Huh? 50%, okay? 75% of the students scored lower than 87, okay? Here, in this one, here in this point, we have 87, right? How many students or how many percent lower than 87? How many percent lower than 87? So we will add 25 plus 25 plus 25 equal 75%. Okay, understood from where we get 75% lower than, because you will inference your data from the box and whisker. Also, you can feel pretty proud that you scored between better than 75% of your classmates. So, percent here, if your score is 79%, 79% lies where? Here. So, it will be, if you got 79, if your score was 79, then you will be in the upper whisker or lower whisker? 79. 79, where?
lower.
79 هتكون فين؟ 79. This is 72, right? 74, 76, 78, right? And then 79. You are very close to the upper half, right? You are very close to the upper half, which means you got a good mark or bad mark?
Good mark.
Good mark. If you are excellent, tell me what score. You have to be in excellent region. You have to lie where? في excellent. You have to be where? في upper whisker. في upper A whisker. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You have in front of you now the box and whisker, and I draw it for you. Could you please tell me, what was the high score in this test?
102.
102.
102. Very good. Again, what was the high score in this test?
102.
102. What percent of class scored above a 72?
88, 96.
50%.
What percent of the class scored above 72?
50%.
88, 96.
Remember the percent. Remember the percent. In this quarter, we have 25, right? And here we have 25.
25%.
And the 25.
50%.
And 25. It will be how many?
50%.
No, above 72, add all of these. 25, 25, 25. So it will be how many?
75.
It will be 75%, right? So it will be 75%. 25%. What was the median of the score in this test?
88.
88, very good. 88. What percent of the class scored between 88 and
25.
96?
25%.
25%, very good. Do you think that this test was too hard for the students? Do you think from this information in front of us, do you think that this test was hard for the student? The least mark was 38.
No.
Huh?
No.
No, why? The median mark here was how many?
88 because
88.
most of the people get above 72.
Yes, because we have 75% got more than 72%. And also we have a student from up to 88. We have how many percent up to 88?
50.
50%. So we
25.
have now from 88 above 88.
50.
50%. So 50% of the class got above 88, right? And 50% got under 88, but we have 25% from 72 till 88. Okay, so this test wasn't hard too much, yeah, because 55% of the class got more than 88 or more than the median of the mark. Okay, the second question. In this question, what is the least value?
0.
The least value is 0. What is the greatest value?
190.
What is the median?
48.
48.
48.
What is the first quartile?
20.
20.
20.
Third quartile?
60.
60. What percent of the Sommers spend more than 60 minutes on homework per night?
25.
25%. Thank you, because more than this one is 25%. Thank you so much. We have now, is there anyone can tell me how we are going to use the inferences or how we can inference from your box and whisker? How you can take your decision from box and whisker? You have the
By persons.
By
persons.
By percent, and also you can translate in numbers in the box and whisker, right? And then you will get your information. Okay, then